How to make money in Forex using a simple market structure strategy. Believe me, the market structure is all you need to start making money on Forex. This works on any currency pair and any time frame. Open any asset, currency, index, stocks, it doesn't matter. Find the moment where the price forms a clear market structure, up or down. The clearer and longer it is, the more and faster our movement will be. Our entry is at the moment of breaking through the market structure. In our example, as soon as the price closes above the last lower high, we immediately enter a trade, where our stop loss is below the last lower low and take profit at the beginning of the structure formation. Let's look at one more example. GBP/JPY, clear market structure, broke, stop loss behind the last lower low, take profit at the beginning of the structure formation. Another example, USD/CHF, a clear downward movement which forms a clear market structure, broke, stop loss behind the last lower low, take profit at the beginning of structure formation. Check your charts, it happens all time every day. Why are you complicate everything with some kind of smart money concept, order block, imbalance and such? Remember, trading is easy, and the sooner you realize it, the sooner you start making money here. Big money. If you want to know more about market structure, subscribe.